Well, good afternoon. It is afternoon, yes. Good afternoon. Last time we had talked about a few things. The problem being is that my last session was accidentally not recorded. So I had accomplished some things, not very much I would think. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the things that I have accomplished from last time because I want to catch us up. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to show you, that is not the right one, my bad, that I was working on going to make a map manager, but I also created the tile object. And for the most part, this is most of the stuff that I wanted to do. I was going to use sprites, but then put the textures into the sprite in the map manager. As long as the textures last longer than the tile, then I shouldn't have a problem. The biggest issue being is I don't know if I'm going to use actual art. What I might do is just use shapes from SFML, because I can just use rectangles and then I can make a border around it, and pretty simple. But if I use sprites too, I mean, it wouldn't be an issue. But also I'm going to need a grid for the playing whatnots. So what I can do for now is I can at least create the header file. Okay, the safeguards. I could also just do pragma once, but I don't actually see a reason to do that. So we're going to create our class. It's going to be the map manager. We have the constructor. Oh wait, that's the header file. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah. Constructor. The destructor. Let's see. That would be an alert from my iPod. What do they want? Oh, somebody messaged me. Okay. Okay, so let's just get the default stuff out of the way. Creating an object, creating an object. And this is... Okay. Create one map manager object. Now, the map manager is going to have access to my tiles. Okay. Okay. Here is our constructor. Double check to make sure it's correct. Oh, I did have it against that. Huh. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. And then this is going to be included into map manager. And then in private, it's going to be map manager map. Actually, I'll wait on that. Okay. And there's our map manager. So, I thought somebody messaged me. And I guess they did not. Okay. Now, we have to define how big the game is going to be and what size tiles I want to use. So I'm going to need a comparison of some kind. So I'm going to want to know how small or big tiles are. Okay, so if I go 16 by 16, can't even multiply. That's 19. I'm terrible at this. $256 tiles. Or no, yeah, 16 by 16. Okay. That's too big. How about 50 tiles? Oops. 8 by 8. That would work. That's an adequate number of space. So I can do 16 50 tiles across. Yeah. So I could do like width and height of the map. Yeah, that works. Okay. Okay, well, I will be right back shortly. Only give me like a couple minutes. Yeah. Okay. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to do something. Let's shrink that a little bit. Okay. So, you know what? I want to double check that I'm actually recording because last time got a little annoyed by that. Okay. So we're going to have... Okay, so this is going to be the entire total. Now, it's going to be hard to tell because I'm probably going to just do 50 by 50 tiles. But, see, I have the width and the height of a tile, of each individual tile, and I know they're going to be 50 by 50. So I don't really need that, but I do need, I don't know, see, that doesn't explain it well enough. If I do map width, it would be in pixels and not necessarily in the other thing. And I know it's going to be around 800 by 800 with a 50 by 50 pixel tile, but I can grab the size of the tile from each one of those things. Of course, now that I think about it, it should be fine. But this, if I just do map width and map height, doesn't exactly tell me. I could do number of tiles width or something. Map tile. Map width. Could do columns and rows. Executive decision. How do I want to do this? Give me a second. Okay. You know what? Let's, I'm including it, and I included the tiles, but I haven't exactly made the tiles that I want. Yes. They're included. Yeah. There's the SFML window. And I just thought about it, and each tile should have the ability to draw. Yeah. Itself. Of course, I should probably put that in special functions and not under the setter getters. Yeah. See, okay, it's easy to draw. Because I have all the information I need to draw. Yeah. Draw. Yeah. And then I can just call the draw function for each tile. That would work. Obviously, it's not displaying anything yet. Yeah, that's under tile. I can then create a background. The problem is loading an image If I load an image, and textures, rectangles. See, when I was doing this, I created quite a bit of info. I had my tiles. Center game. No. Map. Yeah, this lets me print tile. There's my save and load functions. Of course, I don't really think this is going to work too well. That doesn't help me. That does not help me. Hold on. Where's my cluster? Because I don't want to save the tiles. And it's always going to start from the middle. But all I want to do is draw a background. That is it. Yeah, it's definitely in here. But I need a way of creating a map, which requires text files or an array. See, it's not hard. Just gotta find the right way to do it. Annoying. I just need to see an example of somebody drawing an array or a vector or something. Because if I'm doing 50 tiles high and 50 tiles, or no, yeah, 50 tiles high, 50 tiles across, at 16 by 16, if you go 50 times 16, you get 800. And those are pixels. Yes. So it's an 800 by 800. And then that would mean the sprite for that would be that. So if I did, yeah, if it's 50, if I just did a vector with 2,500 tiles, that's a lot though. I could do a multi-dimensional array. I just need to figure out how I want to do it. No. No. You know, I know the basics, but I would really like to know how other people do it, and it seems... that's not even in English. Oh well, maybe I can figure that out anyway. Yeah, he did a character table. So I'm guessing these are the tiles. That's what I like about programming, though. You don't need to exactly know the same language to do anything. Use a map. Still feel the rustiness of my coding. That's why I'm not being able to do long coding sessions. So annoying. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just end it here and come back in a little bit today, because just, I don't know why, I get so frustrated so easy now. So I will be back. I want to figure out how I want to set up my maps. I mean, I could do it like text-based, and then just have it print a certain tile number in which corresponds with the tile sheet, which I guess is a plausible way of doing it, but we will see. Anyway, I did show you... That's not even the right project. Why do I keep that? I did show you what I accomplished last time. I did create tiles. I still need to make them be able to draw themselves. I am going to need to work on the map manager, but I just don't know how to start it yet. But I would definitely will be back to, do more of that. And we will see how that goes. I'm going to go ahead and upload this video. That way you can see what I did previously. And I apologize that I did not press the recording button. But I'm both happy and sad about that, because there were like 1,000 interruptions that day, and I didn't very care much for that. But that's in the past. Anyway, yeah, you'll be hearing from me again today, I hope. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.